Guys, I'm here to quickly show you how you can use Expressvpn to watch different catalogs on Netflix. Now hit that link down below if you want the exclusive deal. Let me show you. So guys, you can see right now that I am actually not connected to the VPN. So I'm in France at the moment. All right, so you can see it's not connected. Now I want to watch this film, Train to Busan. All right, you can see it here. I type it in and it does not come up. Okay, no matter what I try and do. That's because it's not on the French catalog. Now watch this. For Expressvpn, you just hit these dots and change the server. You can either search for it or scroll down and use it. So I know that it works in Korea because I've been to South Korea and I've actually watched this film in there. So if I click South Korea right now, okay, this goes here, you click the quick connect button, and that's how fast it is, right? Did you even get a chance to breathe? Once it's there, if I type in this and I refresh, you're now gonna see that Train to Busan actually works in South Korea, okay? This is a very easy way for us to watch different Netflix catalogs. Guys, look how easy that was. I just found a film that I'm not allowed to watch in my country, and I can watch it here. Guys, tune in, hit that link down below and get ExpressVPN. There you go, guys. Do me a favor and hit the link down below to get the most exclusive deal for ExpressVPN right now. And go over to onlyvpns.net to see any other VPNs that you're interested in. Have a nice day. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified. I'll see you next time.